It is Monday, July 25th, and it's time for the weekly weather briefing for the Inland Northwest from the National Weather Service in Spokane. The most notable weather this week will be the seasonably hot conditions through Friday or Saturday. We haven't had much prolonged heat this summer, but our temperatures will be above average for 4 or 5 days this week. The second thing to monitor this week will be the potential for widely scattered thunderstorms along the Canadian border. And the third thing to watch will be the arrival of a vigorous cold front on Saturday or Sunday, which will likely bring breezy conditions and cooler temperatures. Several weak upper-level disturbances will track along the Canadian border today, which is Monday, as well as Tuesday and Wednesday. Isolated thunderstorms will be possible mainly over the high terrain during the afternoon and evening hours. We are expecting relatively small cells capable of brief heavy rain, small hail, and cloud-to-ground lightning. At this time, the flash flood risk appears to be low given the widely scattered nature of these storms. It also looks like our most vulnerable burn scar areas in Chelan and Okanagan counties should be missed by these storms. Afternoon highs in the 90s will be common this week. The hottest day will probably be Friday with mid-90s in Spokane and near 100 for Lewiston. Weather models are predicting the arrival of a cold front this weekend. At this time it looks like Saturday will be slightly cooler than Friday, but the timing of the front could cause these numbers to change. The cold front this weekend will bring a high likelihood of breezy conditions Saturday or Sunday. At this time, it looks like there is a moderate possibility of fire concerns. Depending on the timing of this front, winds and low humidity could produce a period of increased fire danger over the weekend. For now, the potential for thunderstorms this weekend looks relatively low due to a lack of moisture ahead and along the cold front. A cooler weather pattern is expected next week following the passage of our weekend cold front. The 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center calls for a good chance of cooler than average temperatures for August 2nd through the 8th. This period also looks drier than average. Late July into August is our typical peak of wildfire season. So far this month we have had some rain in July, and it has been cooler than average. Our heavy timber fuels haven't been receptive to big fires so far, but the hot weather this week will begin to increase our fire concerns. The likelihood of breezy and dry conditions for the weekend has the potential to raise our wildfire concerns as well. For our flood threat early this week, our concerns are relatively low. Thunderstorms Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday should be isolated, and at this time we don't expect them to occur over our burn scar areas. This concludes our weather briefing. Thank you for joining us.